you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Delaney, and today I'm packing some fidgets for this person named Emma. She ordered, so let's go. We have these nice little bags. These are some different orders. So yeah, let's get packing. First, she ordered one of our Waterfield squishies. This is from one of those car movies. She ordered yellow instead of red. So let's put it in the bag. I'm just going to do that.
Purple.
Alrighty. Let's put that in. Okay. And it has the eyes on it. Okay. These are one of my favorites. I promise they the squishies like this. I'll clean it, but I'm packing it, guys.
Yep.
So yeah, and let's get the 21 subscribers, please. Alrighty. Next, they ordered. It's not. I know. They ordered a fruit needle, which I love. These are the best needles ever in the world. They ordered mostly just squishies, which is weird, but. Oh, what? Okay, so let's pack that. Okay.
Right,
next, they ordered. Let me get it. It's way down in here. They ordered the plane. That's yellow from the Planes movie. I know it's not in fashion anymore, but let's put it in. They ordered yellow instead of red. The colors we have, if you want to order, are yellow, red, and green.
I'm gonna rush that cake.
Okay, so it is. Alright, next they didn't order a squishy. It's almost like one, but it's not like for real. Okay, they ordered zipper bracelets. We have like all the colors in the world. Like I love these. Yeah, it's the best, but I can't zip it with one hand. So yeah, and then a pea pod, and that's it. So watch me pack it. Alrighty. So we have the bag. This one, the pea pods aren't the popularest in my Summer Fidget Shop, which so guess what? We have like today or tomorrow I'm videoing a fan mail special because I got some. Alright. And then now let's give them a treat out of a treat box. Alright, so I have Skittles. Pick something easy, like let's pick a stamp. So unopened stamp and some candy. So let's put this in there. It should be easy.
Right there.
And let me set up, guys. So if this is not the best for you because this is why. And your order's on the way, Anna.